You will start by taking a piece of paper and folding it up, leaving a 2 cm gap at the top. Then take your glue and fold it down to stick that. Then we're going to turn it and fold it up in half lengthways. And repeat that 6 times. I like to have my fold on one side only, just makes this next step a bit easier. So take the corner of one side only and fold it down. Press gently to create a little indent. We won't be folding this across, it is just to make it easier so that we can cut. Then take your scissors and cut some shapes along the side. I chose bumps, but you can do spikes, you can come up with other crazy patterns, it's absolutely fine, however you like to do it. Then repeat that on all pieces of the paper. I like to line mine up with a piece, just so that they all end up matching. Again, you don't have to do this, but it does make it a little bit easier. You could also create a template on a separate piece of card and keep that if you're going to make multiple of these. Open them out. Then we're going to line up the folds in the front and in the back and press down to create a new fold. Repeat that on all 6 pieces. Then we're going to take our glue again and glue in the middle on one side only. Fold it up and press down firmly. And then repeat that again for the other 5 pieces. And just glue down in the middle by the folds and place another one of the pieces on top and just repeat this process. Finally, we're going to take our glue and glue on the one side. Carefully open it out and you will see that your star takes shape. And there we have it. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.